Today we are going to give you 10 tips to grow your YouTube channel in proper way. Please read the points carefully if you have a YouTube channel or if you are going to start a YouTube channel. These are 10 most important tips that will help you to grow your YouTube channel in a very organic and proper way. The first point is, as per the image you might have known it's thumbnail. Your video thumbnail is possibly the most click affecting component of your whole YouTube channel. So make it appealing, informative, and it should describe in a brief about the video you are creating. The second point is video title. Like thumbnail, title is the most important part of your video, with which the viewer can know the content of the video in a nutshell. So make a good and appealing title. As per the image, you might have guessed, yes, timing. The timing at which you are posting the video is also a factor in growing your YouTube channel. Or Saturday or Sunday with 3 p.m. at 3 p.m. is the best time to upload your video. The fourth point is keywords. Keywords is the main component of your video with which you can grow your YouTube channel by doing a proper SEO. The people what are looking in your video is called keyword. The fifth point is playlist. Make a list of all the popular videos and mark it in your video so that people will watch other videos along with the video you are creating. The sixth point is promote your YouTube channel in Facebook, social medias, blogs, and even in Quora. This is called cross promotion of the channel. The seventh point is engage your audience and convert them to subscribers. The whole meaning purpose of making the YouTube channel is to gain attention of the subscribers, viewers. So convert the viewers to subscribers or members to your video so that they will regularly watch your video when you are posting it. That's why making it easy effort to grow your channel. The eighth point is engage your viewers, a crowd, by replying to the comments they are giving. In this way, they will find an attachment with your channel. Ninth point is the most important point. Make a proper SEO, meta title, links, tags, ranking. Nowadays, several sites or softwares with the Chrome extensions, you can easily work on the SEO part. This optimizes your video searching in the internet. And the last point is teamwork. With a good teamwork, you can grow your new channel very fast and effectively. So collaborate with other YouTubers to highlight your own channel. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel for upcoming videos.